Hello and welcome back to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. I'm Lulu and today we are continuing our journey into the world of small space magic with the second part of our series, 300 square feet under 30 square meter small apartment with practical solutions. In this episode, we are taking a closer look at how to live large within a limited footprint. We scoured the globe for the most ingenious and stylish small apartment designs that don't just save space but also enrich your life with functionality and beauty. So whether you are downsizing or just starting out, get ready to be inspired by practical solutions that will turn your cozy nook into a heaven of comfort and style. Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for more interior design tips and tricks. Let's make your small space a big deal. Let's start with this compact, well-designed apartment with an open floor plan. It features a soft top color kitchen with black countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a wooden dining table with different colored chairs. The living area includes a brown leather sofa, an orange ottoman, and a small coffee table, all backed in natural light from large windows. The apartment from the image has a modern open space with a cozy living area that includes a caramel-colored sofa, a black metal chair, and a black ottoman. The dining area features a rectangular table and chairs, adjacent to an open kitchen with dark gray cabinetry and orange stools at the breakfast bar. The decor is complemented by indoor plants and hanging lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Natural light streams in the balcony door, enhancing the neutral tones and colorful accent throughout the space. The image depicts a cozy and compact living space, featuring a sleeping area with a bed and side table, a main living area with a sofa, coffee table, and artwork, all backed in natural light from large windows. It's decorated with a harmonious color palette and has a Scandinavian design influence, creating a stylish yet functional small living space. Let's continue with this small, modern and chic open space with a neutral color scheme. It features a white sectional sofa, black accent furniture, and a minimalist media console. The dining area showcases an oval-shaped table with comfortable chairs under an artistic chandelier, while the kitchen boasts bar stools and open shelving. The large window with sheer curtains flood the space with light, complementing the warm wood floors and white walls. Indoor plants add a fresh, green touch to the overall design. In this image, you can see a tiny apartment with a modern open space with a white, grey, and wood tone color scheme. It features a living area with a white armchair and a round coffee table, a kitchen area with white and light grey cabinets and bar stools, and an open shelving unit. The space is well lit with natural light from large windows and has chic pendant lights above the kitchen counter. It's a stylish and cohesive design that maximizes the use of a small space. This apartment is a chic and compact space featuring a modern open-plan design. It's styled with a sleek monochromatic color palette, accented by vibrant orange cushions to add a pop of color. The dining area is furnished with a contemporary round black table and matching chairs, while the living area boasts a cozy white rug and a stylish black side table. Ample natural light pours in through the window, enhancing the minimalist decor and the clean lines of the space. It's a perfect blend of functionality and modern aesthetics. And that's a wrap on our second part of 300 square feet under 30 square meter small apartment with practical solutions. I'm Lulu, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through these smart space-saving strategies that prove size really doesn't matter when it's come to great design. We hope you are living with plenty of inspiration and ideas to transform your own space into a functional, fabulous home. If you like these tips and tricks, give us a thumbs up, share with friends who could use a little small space inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions for more interior wisdom. Until next time, remember your space may be small, but your creativity is limitless. Let's make every square foot count. Thank you. Bye.